With the story that we are breaking right at the very top tonight, the SEBI has given, the Securities Exchange Bureau of India has given a clean chit to the Adani Group. Clean chit to the Adani Group in the Hindenburg case. Remember, where there were charges being made against Adani of several irregularities and corruption. SEBI says there's been no violation by the Adani Group. Gautam Adani, in his first response, has welcomed the SEBI findings and said that those who targeted his group should be giving an apology. I'm joined by Chetan Bhutani from Business Today. Chetan, this is of course something that's been going on for 2 years. There were allegations of serious irregularities, monies being parked in foreign offshore accounts, insider trading and worse. Is this a complete clean chit now? Is it a complete closure of this entire investigation?
Well, that's right, Rajdeep. It's a complete closure for the Adani Group and, of course, for the Adani Group chairman Gautam Adani, where market regulator SEBI has given a complete clean chit to the group. In fact, in 2 orders separately issued by the market regulator, it has stated that the explosive allegations of insider trading, market manipulation, and violations of public shareholding rules collapsed under scrutiny. In fact, Rajdeep, and very interestingly, the regulator made it clear that none of the charges in the show cause notice could be proved. It also confirmed that there was no violation of the SEBI Act concerning fraudulent or unfair trade practices. Now, going back, of course, to January 2023, when the Hindenburg research accused the Adani Group for allegedly conducting the biggest corporate fraud in the history of using 3 companies to inflate shares and, of course, create offshore accounts for funding. So clearly, all in all, great news coming in for the Adani Group and, of course, for the chairman Gautam Adani as well.
Okay, so major relief there for the Gautam Adani Group or the Adani Group and for its chief promoter Gautam Adani, SEBI's clean chit in that case.